Today in this video, I'll give you the best and safest way on how can you increase your Snap score on Snapchat. So follow up with me till the very end of this video so that you make no mistakes, and let's jump right into it. First, of course, open Snapchat and head out to your profile by tapping the Bitmoji in the top left corner. From your profile, go to settings by tapping the gear icon in the top right. Then scroll all the way down and tap on logout. So first log out of your account that you want to increase the Snap score of. Then tap on sign up in the bottom left corner right here. From here we'll create tens of accounts and I'll show you how can you use them later to increase your Snap score. So from here you can give it a random name, it doesn't really matter, and even a random password because we don't need to log in right here again. And then once it requests an email, I'll show you where can you get tons of emails for free. Open your browser and search for email generator right here. Choose a website, I prefer this one, Temp Mail. Once it loads up, wait for it to generate an email from you right here. As you can see, it is loading. Once it gives you an email, go ahead and copy it from here, and then let's go back to Snapchat. We need to paste that email right here and then tap on continue. It will request a phone number, but you can skip this step by tapping skip in the top right corner. And just like that, skip this step as well, and you have yourself a new Snapchat account. You can use this method to create other tens of accounts, and then once you create them, go to the search bar right here and then search for your main account that you want to increase the Snap score of. Once you find it, add yourself there. And once you add yourself, you need to go back to your main account, of course the one we need to increase the Snap score of. And once you log in again, go ahead and tap right here in the top on this icon to find your friend requests and accept the requests you receive from the accounts that you have created in the way that I have shown you. So once you be friends with those accounts, you can go back now and let's create shortcut. So tap on the plus button right here on top of the conversations and choose all the accounts that you have created, and then tap right here in the top and give it a emoji and tap on create shortcut. After creating shortcut, I'll show you how to increase that Snap score. So tap on the plus button right here and then scroll down and find the multi-snap option. Go ahead and tap on it. Using this option, you can take up to 8 snaps and send them all at once using one click. So after taking the snaps, tap on next in the bottom right corner and then choose the shortcut we have created earlier that you supposedly should find all the fake accounts that you have created right here. So once you select them, tap on send in the bottom right corner, and just like that you have earned lots of snaps. So basically, if you have created 10 fake accounts the way I've shown you, you can literally earn 80 snap points, Snap score in one operation. You can do that a lot of times in 1 hour to earn even 1,000 snap score in 1 hour. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and share it with your friends, and of course don't forget to leave your questions in the comment section. I'll try to answer and help out every single one of you. And of course don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next one.